Lisa.
And we're back again today with another unboxing for you.
We have the YSL large Vicky Crossbody bag.
And when we say this is the prettiest, most eye-catching YSL bag you've ever seen, we really mean it.
And you'll see why when we unbox it. So let's get right into it.
See you on the other side. Enjoyed that unboxing that we did for you.
Wasn't that such a gorgeous bag? And we have it right here with us. Look at this beauty.
Yeah, and I want to say that the first thing I noticed when I went into the store was the color and this beautiful gold, bold hardware here. That's what caught my eye right away.
Yeah, and it's such a classic design. It's not anything too flashy or, you know, even though the design, the logo is bold, it's iconic. It's not anything crazy. So that's what I love about it. It's simple in a way, but so elegant, so beautiful.
It's like a timeless piece.
Yeah.
The gold straps, very heavy, you know, very durable. That'll last you, you know, forever. Basically.
Yeah, it really will.
Yeah, very, you know, good leather, strong, durable leather.
Then we have on the inside, as you saw from the unboxing, it's just one giant pocket in there that can fit a lot.
A lot for a crossbody.
Yeah, here is a nice, what is it, suede I think it is in there. And then you have the logo carries over to this other side, which is just such a beautiful detail, such a nice detail.
Yeah, and being that it's patent, this is going to be very easy to clean, and it comes with the cloth for you to wipe and clean it, you know, if anything should get on it. But I was told when purchasing this piece that it's also waterproof. So if you're in the rain,
you don't have to worry about it. It's definitely a bag that you don't have to baby quite as much as other bags, which is nice. It's kind of a nice break from you know, having to worry every second about your bag. And what I also love about this is that you can dress it up. You can wear it to a wedding, you can wear it to a nice function, or you can just wear it casual. You know,
with a blazer and
some jeans. You know, it's a really cute, versatile bag.
Yes.
So beautiful. This I don't even think the camera is going to do it justice with the color and just how the hardware looks, and you have to see it in person. It's beautiful.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let us know if you purchase this piece. Let us know in the comments what you think about it and if you love it as much as we do.
Yes, definitely. Thank you so much for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can get an alert on more videos that we do. And thank you so much for watching.
Yes.
Bye.